Right, I'm hoping. Is anyone there? Is anybody out there? I'm hoping I'm going to get somebody that knows, like a tech expert, to show me what I'm doing wrong and how to get the Manticore to hit this target. We'll give it a few minutes. If you are in here, I can't tell. I've not done live before. I don't do live because I've got the ADHD and I can't focus. So I'm going to go through some basic settings of what we're looking at on the Manticore first. That was a nightmare. I've shared it to the group. Nice cup of chow. We did well last night, didn't we? That second half were brilliant. It's good to see England playing decent for once. Yeah, so the Manticore's performing okay in mild to medium ground. This new setup I've got now is just leaps and bounds over the air tests. We can still elevate iron on different levels, but we can involve the ground. Built and designed by me. You watch all the YouTubers copying this like they did with me. So before my channel, the early days of my channel, you know, the Monty's nail board. Well, I put my own spin on it, and I started elevating iron on Monty's fingerboard, Monty's nail board. And after that, you started seeing all these tests with elevation. So that come from me. I've got the video. It's probably the second video I did about 5 years ago. And now I'm introducing this. Everybody's going to be copied. It's a lot better. It's a lot better to test machines on this test. It's not an air test. You're getting the ground involved, but you can change the platforms for mild, hot, medium. I'll just show you. Mild, hot, medium, ground. But as you put levels on, I could put the coin on the bottom level and then put the iron 2 inches higher and then swing on this. Or I could put iron nails on there as well. Put another platform, you've got another 2 inch of elevated iron. But nobody's here. So is it even worth doing? I'm only going to show what I've shown on my channel anyway, but I'll give this opportunity for the experts and the Manticore users that think there isn't a problem, and I want them to tell me what to do with the Manticore to hit this target. I know what to do with it, but you could not use it in the field. I feel like I'm in class. Stop swinging on that chair, Dyson. See you after school. Woo! I think the mushrooms are kicking in. I've got ADHD, but I get prescribed ADHD meds, which are a stimulant. But someone with ADHD, it calms you down. If someone without ADHD took them, they'll be up all night bouncing on bloody chairs. But I found something better. I found something way better than ADHD medication. Magic mushrooms. It just bring everything down. The ADHD meds, when they did work, they worked pretty well. But if you have them at 9 o'clock, they stop working about 5, 6. You know what I mean? So then I started having tranquilizers, which work better than the ADHD meds as well. But with tranquilizers, you're just a bit slow, dopey. as it's probably coming out on this video now. So so yeah, I'm on tranquilizers. These tranquilizers are used by vets to sedate animals when they go into surgery. So yeah, they're pretty good. I ain't got all night, so I can wait about a little bit, and I won't actually show anything. I've already said it, but I've given this chance for the experts to come in. They know about it, but they might be busy. It's been 8 minutes. I'm just sitting twiddling my thumbs. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll show you my shrimp. So this is my other hobby at the moment. They're breeding well. So they're golden dreams. These are breeding well. The high grade red cherry shrimp, but they're spitting out medium grade babies. So I have to cull them. I take the shitty ones out. And they're the Bloody Marys. So all this helps with my ADHD. I took a year off, and that was the worst year of me with ADHD. The worst year. I got back into YouTube, and I could just focus. I could just focus again. It's really, really helped me getting back into it. I think it's because you're concentrating on something. I don't know what it is. It's a crazy hobby. It might be just being outside. It might be being outside under the blue and green, under the blue, above the green. It might just be that. I might just have to do a video, guys. I don't want to. Really don't want to do another video. Actually, I've done them. If you check the Minelab Manticore playlist, they're all there. Nobody wants to be my friend. You see why? Been emailing, talking to book writers, testers, people in America that are selling the Manticore because it's struggling with a hot ground. Now, to me, I don't have to bother with this. I don't have to bother with it because I've done the test in medium to mild ground, and the Manticore's okay. So I could just go, right, forget it, I'm fine. I'm all right, Jack. You know what I mean? But because I know about it, and what if I do come across some highly mineralized ground, I want this £1,800 machine to be able to be an elite machine. But I don't know why I put myself through it. It's not my battle. It is my battle in a way because I've got the Manticore, but the highly mineralized ground isn't my battle because my ground didn't like that. I'm just hoping, I've reached out to some YouTubers, I'm just hoping that they'll take it on and then just refer back to me if you need any info, because I'm fighting for something that I don't really need. Personally, myself, I don't need this to perform in really highly mineralized ground. I've got the Versa for that, haven't I? I don't believe I've got rid of the D2. It's got the magnetic accept and reject. So what's happening with this is that the iron oxide is like a firewall. So the Minelab just can't get through it. But with a D2, you can accept the magnetic iron oxide. And by accepting it, it's hitting the target. It's exactly the same as, when you say you're doing an air test with iron and a coin, So when you reject or discriminate the iron, it doesn't perform as well. It don't perform as well in that coin. But if you go all metal and have an iron tone, it'll hit it better because it needs the iron. It needs the iron for the ratios, and it needs to be able to see the iron. And yeah, that's that. So have a good night, people. I've waited 12 minutes for the Techsperts. This will be on the channel. I think the lives get saved. But I'm a busy guy. So, and to be honest, these magic mushrooms are starting to kick in. Look in my eyes.